Evan just went grocery shopping. We're gonna do a little haul. Okay, we got, this is the creamer I've been using. I really like it. I feel like it's kind of like the Starbucks one I was using, but it doesn't make me sick and it's cheaper.
Popcorn.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, it's hot.
It's already good. Evan got cold brew. Peppers for fajitas and pasta primavera, zucchini, squash, blueberries.
$2 on sale.
Oh, we better eat them.
Fajita mix.
Like pre-made fajita stuff, and we'll just add more to it. Triboni Daily Probiotics, Greek yogurt, smoothies.
Good for my tummy.
Good for the tummy. Tortellini mixed cheese, broccoli cheddar soup for Yvonne.
3 bottles. 2 blueberry, 1 plain for you.
Wow, thanks.
Strawberry cream cheese.
Interesting.
Parmesan cheese for the pasta primavera and whatever else you want to use. Spring mix for Billy.
He's gonna be so excited.
A giant thing of tortilla shells.
Amazing.
It was only like $2.
Perfect.
Full in basket sour cream.
By the way, we've been going to, what is this store called?
Price? I don't even know.
Price Right?
Price Right? Not Price Chopper.
No.
ShopRite.
ShopRite. And
Really cheap.
their aesthetic is top tier, honestly. I've never gone for store brand stuff. Their aesthetic makes me want to. Like, are you kidding me? This is store brand? The packaging is
I spent
supreme.
$80, so I mean.
I feel like you got
Yeah.
a decent amount of stuff.
Bananas and cream oatmeal. It's hard. It's so hard to find bananas and cream oatmeal.
Even looking at it makes me gag.
A digital coupon for family size. So that was also on sale.
Thank you.
Margarita pizza.
Nice. That actually looks really good.
A lemon for pasta primavera. Kerrygold grass-fed butter.
Oh, I'm so glad you got butter. We ran out.
Yeah, well we have butter, it's just not spreadable.
Oh, okay.
Kerrygold butter, always get grass-fed butter. And for the pasta primavera, diced tomatoes with basil, garlic, and oregano.
Nice. Good haul.
Yeah.
Guys, today has literally flown by. I've been editing my vlog all day. Evan went grocery shopping. We were gonna go get our Christmas tree, but like it's already like dark.
I think they're closed by now.
But good news is my parents are coming over to just drop off Christmas lights. So we have them.
Don't they have COVID?
They're not coming in. They're just dropping them off. And I'm gonna leave them in the garage so they air out. And then we can use them tomorrow. So we can do a bunch of decorating tomorrow. I think that's gonna be my like goal for tomorrow, is get like a bunch of the Christmas stuff going, like outside at least, and maybe in here as well. Pip, what's doing, girly? What are you eating? Pippi, stop eating off the floor. She eating everything off the floor. She's not supposed to. I don't even know where you find this stuff, girly. You lucky, you're so cute. You know that? You. Okay. Alright, so I am gonna finish like watching back my vlog so I can get that up. It's literally 4 o'clock. Like, I'm annoyed, but it is what it is. And I don't even know what else we're gonna do today because I had plans of getting the tree and decorating for Christmas. So I don't know, maybe I will just try and get ahead on editing. I don't know. What are we gonna have for dinner tonight?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna finish watching the vlog and then we'll figure out what we're doing. I don't know where I lost my outer lash. I don't know if it was when I was washing my face last night or what. Hmm? Evan's chefing us up some fajitas. The finished fajitas look so good. Fajitas are like my favorite meal ever. I can't wait to eat.
It's like a 9 out of 10.
Woo!
They just need spiciness.
And I'm also spicy. You wish you could have these. Hi guys. So, I'm currently bringing you to the basement because Evan's parents hooked up our washer and dryer today, and I'm so excited. These are the stunning queens. I finally named them. It's Lonnie and Geraldo. What do we think? And we did a load of towels to test it out. So I am gonna grab all this. Hi, Bill. Hi, handsome. You're nice. You're a really sweet man. I'm gonna fold the towels. All right? Deal? Deal. Bill. You're really happy? You're really happy? That's so nice. I love when you're happy, Bill. I love when that piggy's happy. Okay, so I'm gonna do a bunch of laundry because now we can. So my entire bottom of my closet is full of dirty laundry because I've just been throwing it in here. So I'm gonna organize it into piles so then we can do laundry. Okay. Love that for me. You guys, I am drained, okay? So I was like, oh, I'm gonna do the dishes with our new dishwasher. Should be easy, simple, you know, we'll figure it out, no problem, okay? It came with this, and so I'm like, okay, we need to unscrew the nozzle that's on our sink and just replace it with this. Easy peasy. This thing has been on here for 80 years probably and is absolutely refusing to come off. Evan and I have both used all of our strength possible and I have never been drained of my energy so fast in my life. So, I'm not giving up yet though. I sprayed WD-40 all over it, so updates to come on that. Pray for me. It's midday. I just finished getting up Vlogmas video for today and just got our laundry out of the dryer that was drying last night. So I think I'm just gonna fold this quickly and then we're gonna get on to some other stuff. I really would like to get a little bit of the Christmas decorating done for today. Hopefully we're gonna go and get our Christmas tree after Evan's out of work tonight because the next couple days are gonna be rainy, and so I really wanna get that in here so we have it for as long as possible and we can get this vlog up because I don't even know when this video is gonna go up in Vlogmas, but way later than I wanted it to. We're gonna do some folding and then let's decorate. Bill, why are you shadow? All right, folks, it's tree lighting time. You guys, if you watched my vlog from a couple days ago, saw that we tried to light the trees out front in our house and we way underestimated how many lights it was going to take. So I got more, and so we're gonna go ahead and fix it today. So we were only able to put We have 2 trees in the front of our house that kind of look like Christmas trees, and we were only able to put it on the front of one of them, so it looks kind of dumb. Like we don't know what we're doing, because we didn't know what we were doing. But my parents got a bunch of lights on sale a couple years ago, and so my dad like dropped them off the other day, and so we're gonna fix it so we look like we know what we're doing. Okay, let's do it. Hey, they're done. We got our little swag on the door, our lights going outside. The sunset is so pretty across the street from us. Like, I literally cannot get a camera to show it, to give it justice. Like, it's so pretty, like every day. Okay, now that we have our trees lit outside, I'm so happy. And I've been waiting to do this for a couple of days to let them like air out, but I am going to wash the new covers for the covers for our new couch that we haven't brought in yet. So let's go do that. By the way, this candle is making our house smell so good. Threshold Forest Fir from Target. So good. Like, I walked in and I was like, it smells like Christmas in here. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna prep the spot for the Christmas tree first, because I can always wash those tonight. We're not gonna bring the couch in tonight, so like that can wait a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this chair, because we're gonna put it over in that corner. I don't know where I'm gonna put the chair, because all of the couches are gonna go back to normal, like over here when we get that other one in. So I'm just gonna move it for now, and then we'll figure it out. Okay guys, so we got the room all set up for the tree and we drove down the street, but they only had a couple trees available. It's also dark outside and they don't have what type of trees they are on their signs. So we're gonna hold off for tonight. I would prefer a Fraser fir because they're like not as prickly, and I know that they're pet safe with the way that the dogs eat literally everything. I don't want to take any chances with not knowing what type of tree it is or whatever. But yeah, so the room is all set up. Hopefully we can get one tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain for the next 2 days, so hopefully that changes and we can get it sooner than later. But that is kind of the update. Evan's starting to make dinner. I'm gonna start doing some dishes. We tried to figure out our dishwasher yesterday and could not get the little like faucet piece off to put the new one on, and like it was just impossible. So I really wanted to start using our dishwasher, but that's just not gonna happen yet. And the sink is just overflowing with dishes, so try and tidy that up a little bit so we can get going on dinner. And then I might do a little bit more to get stuff done in a little bit. Like I'll actually get to washing the couch covers and finishing the laundry and all of that. So that's the update for now. Evan just made us dinner. Do you want to let him know what it is?
It's hot. I'm just opening it up a little. Tortellini.
Pasta primavera.
Tortellini. Tomato. Diced tomatoes with Italian seasoning. Garlic, onion.
Zucchini.
Zucchini, squash, red pepper.
We got
olive
some
oil.
Parmesan.
Parmesan, butter. Cheese hot.
Bone apple teas.
Breathing heavy, man.